Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 4 BA1112B. We're presenting on our group project for our subject ACC116, which is costing methods. Here, we will cover on the business overview, starting from the introduction to the selected business, the detailed description of the business, the nature of product, scope, and scale of the operation. We will also cover on the product costing in the chosen business. First and foremost, I will introduce to our team members. My name is Nabiha binti Muhammad Ali. We also have Nur Arisa binti Muhammad Nasir, Nur Irene Aziri, and Lina Khalida. For our subject ACC116 costing method assignment case study, we have chosen a business or physical product, specifically a cafe named Kopi dan Gula. Moreover, nowadays people prefer enjoying their free time or doing works in a simple cafe because of the calm environment inside the cafe. This cafe mainly attract youngsters, especially the students from nearby institution, by offering an affordable price to the customers. By choosing this business, we will come up with job cost card of two products, which is Creamy Caramel Macchiato and Nippon Matcha. This Kopi dan Gula business located in center of Pekan Rembang, Negeri Sembilan. Located at a small alley between two blocks that having bigger supermarket in the town and a few small offices, can be considered as a strategic location because people may come either after grocery shopping or business at the office. Established in 2021, Kopi dan Gula has become a favorite spot among locals, especially in This business was founded by Nur Syahada binti Kamarudin, who is recently graduated with degree in accounting, who ventured into starting a cafe. Her interest in having a small cafe business seems become successfully a main attraction in Rembang, as this cafe went viral on one of the social media platforms. What sets this cafe apart is its grab and go uniqueness, where customers embrace a buy and go concept, making it convenient for their pass.
Okay, so then the next one is nature of product, scope and scale. Okay, so the first one is nature of product. So nature of product is Kopi dan Gula specialized in creating aromatic coffee branded and sweet confection. So the menu features creamy espresso and a variety of relaxing drinks, catering to a wide range of tastes. So next, scope. So the cafe has effectively carve a place in a competitive industry, attracting a diverse and expanding customer base. Their strategic positioning and dedication to quality make it a well-liked venue for casual coffee lovers and those seeking a cozy space for indulging in delicious pastries. Okay, so the next one is scale. Okay, the coffee serving 50 to 80 cups on weekends and 20 to 30 cups during the week. Kopi dan Gula demonstrates thriving scope and volume. So position for growth, and the cafe anticipates a bright future in terms of influence within the local culinary scene. Okay, so next for assignment protocol, on 50 January, my team progress is team meeting business selection, and then for 16 January, physical interview with Kopi dan Gula owner. And then at the same day, team meeting analysis of interview output. And then the next day, 17 January, we have consultation with madam. Okay, and then for 18 January, team meeting analysis of consultation output. And then for 22 of January, team meeting is we have discussion on final report output. And the last day is 23 January is we have prepared assignment report and presentation.
Today, I would like to present to you the job cost card for the Creamy Caramel Macchiato from Kopi dan Gula. This job cost card is a detailed breakdown of the costs involved in producing this delicious beverage. Firstly, let's take a look at the direct cost. The direct material used in making the Creamy Caramel Macchiato include coffee beans, milk, ice, sugar, and whipping cream. The total cost of these materials come up to 332.30 cents. In addition to this, there is also the cost of direct labor, which is the salary of one staff member who is responsible for making the beverage. This comes up to 50 ringgit. Finally, there are the direct expense, which includes the cost of the coffee machine and coffee grinder for 37 ringgit and 50 cents and 5 ringgit for each. Next, we move on to the manufacturing or production overhead. We have the cost of indirect materials such as cups, plastic, sticker, and straw, which come up to 24 ringgit for cups and 25 for others. Since they don't have indirect labor, so we continue on indirect expense, which include the cost of rent, utilities, Wi-Fi, and air conditioning. This come up to a total of 24 ringgit and 50 cents. When we add up all of these costs, we arrive at total manufacturing or production cost of 488.30 cents. In addition to this, there is also the non-manufacturing or production overhead, which include the cost of the business license, which comes up to 5 ringgit and 50 cents. When we add this to the manufacturing or production cost, we arrive at the total cost of 492.80 for 50 cups. The price for 1 cup is 9 ringgit and 90 cents, which is the selling price of the creamy caramel macchiato is set at 50 ringgit and 90 cents, which give a profit of 6 ringgit per cup. Next, I will explain the calculation of creamy caramel macchiato for 50 cups. For direct material, they use coffee bean, milk, ice, sugar, and whipping cream. The cost of coffee bean is 60 ringgit. And then for milk, the owner said for 1 box of milk will only make 8 cups, so 50 ringgit divided by 8, then we'll get 1 ringgit and 87 cents per cup. So 1 ringgit and 87 cents multiplied by 50 cups, and the cost of milk is 93 and 50 cents. Since 1 plastic bag of ice can make 50 cups, so the cost for ice is 3 ringgit and 80 cents. For sugar, they will only make 30 cups, so 55 ringgit divided by 30, and they can get 1 ringgit and 83 cents per cup. So we need to multiply by 50, and the total cost will be 91 ringgit and 50 cents. Same goes to whipping cream. They will get 1 ringgit and 67 cents per cup, and we need to multiply by 50, and the total cost will be 83 and 50 cents. Next, we have the direct labor. Their dedicated staff plays a crucial role in preparing each creamy caramel macchiato with precision and care. The cost of 1 staff member is 1,500 per month. In order to know how much the staff will get paid is 1,500 divided by 30 days, which translates to 50 ringgit per day or 1 ringgit per cup. Lastly, we have the direct expense. This includes the cost of using specialized equipment like the coffee machine and coffee grinder. The coffee machine costs 10,000 while the coffee grinder costs 1,800. For coffee machine, we need to know how much cups they can make for a year. So 50 cups multiplied by 360 days, and for the whole year, coffee machine can make 18,000 of cup, which is 10,000 divided by 18,000, and then we get 0.55 per cups. In order to know how much for 50 cups, we need to multiply 0.55 to 50 cups, and then we get 27 ringgit and 50 cents. Same goes to coffee grinder. 1,800 divided by 18,000, then we get 0.1 per cup, and 0.1 multiplied by 50 equal to 5 ringgit. For indirect material, indirect labor, and indirect expense can refer to calculation of Nippon Matcha. Next, we move to the next calculation, which is the total cost of 50 cups. Prime cost at total manufacturing production cost at non-manufacturing or production overhead, which is 414.80 cents at 73.50 cents at 4 ringgit and 50 cents equal to 492.80 cents. And then the cost for 1 cup is the cost of 50 cups divided by 50. We get 492.80 cents divided by 50, and we get 9 ringgit and 90 cents. In order to know the profit, the selling price minus cost per cup, and the total would be 6 ringgit of profit.
Okay, so next we have calculate the beverage of Nippon Matcha. So we need to calculate the first is direct material. So we can get prime cost. And then the second is we need to calculate manufacturing or production overhead. So we get indirect material, indirect labor, direct expense. So we can total up manufacturing or production cost. So last but not least, we need to know non-manufacturing. So and then we need to total up cost per 50 cups and total cost per 1 cup. Then we need to know the profit per 50 cups. For direct material, we have matcha powder, milk, ice, and sugar. So for matcha powder, we need to calculate with 180 ringgit divided by 90, so we can get 2 ringgit per cup. So and then if you want to get 50 cup, we need to multiply with 50. So to multiply with 50, we can get 100 ringgit. So for milk, 50 ringgit divided by 8, so we can get 1 ringgit 87 cent per cup. Okay, so and then we need to calculate 50 cups. So 1 ringgit 87 cent multiplied by 50 cups, so we can get 93 ringgit 50 cent for 50 cups. Okay, and then for ice, we get 3 ringgit 80 cent for the whole cup. Okay, so and then for ice, we have calculated the 50 cups for 3 ringgit 80 cent. So per cup is 0.076 cent per cup. Okay, and then for calculate the sugar, 55 ringgit divided by 30, so we can get 1 ringgit 83 cent for per cup. So and then we need to calculate for 50 cups. So 1 ringgit 83 cent is we need to multiply with 50 cups, so we can get 91 ringgit 50 cent. So for direct labor, the business is have one staff. Okay, one staff is they paid for 1,500 for 1 month. So to calculate for 50 cups, we need to calculate per day. Okay, per day. So 1,500 is divided by 30, so we can get 50 ringgit per day. So 50 ringgit per day is need to divide by 50 cups, so we get 1 ringgit per cup. So to calculate 50 cup, 1 ringgit multiply with 50 cups, so we can get 50 ringgit. And then for indirect material, they have is cups, plastic, sticker and straw. So the cups is 34 ringgit, and then for plastic, sticker and straw is 50 cent per cup. So we need to calculate 50 cups. So 50 cent multiply with 50 cups, we can get 35.
Next, we move on to indirect expense. For rent, 700 divided by 2 equals to Rm 315. 15 cups multiplied with 15 equals to 1,500 cups. 315 divided by 1,500, it will be 23 cents per cup. 23 cents multiplied with 15, it will be 11.50. For utilities, 515 divided by 2, it will be 275 ringgit. 275 ringgit divided by 1,500 equals to 18 cents per cup. 80 cents per cup multiplied with 15 is RM9. For Wi-Fi, we got RM1 because 60 ringgit divided by 2, and we got 30 ringgit. 30 ringgit divided by 1,500 cups, and it will be 0.02 cent per cup, and multiplied with 15 is RM1. Next is aircon. RM200 divided by 2 equals to RM100. 100 divided by 1,500, it will be 0.6 cents per cup. 0.06 cents multiplied with 15 cups is RM3. For non-production overhead, we have business license. RM218 divided by 2 is equals to RM114. 114 divided by 1,500 equals to RM 0.09 cents per cup, and we multiply it with 15 cups equals to 4.15. Next is total cost for 15 cups. 338.80 cents plus 73 ringgit 15 cents plus with 4 ringgit 15 cents. It will be 416 and 18 cents. Total cost per 1 cup, we got 416.18 cents divided by 15, so we got 8 ringgit 30 cents. Profit 30 ringgit minus with 8.3 cents. It will be 4 ringgit and 17 cents. Last but not least, selling price is 30 ringgit. My team demonstrated outstanding teamwork from the start of the project on January 15, 2024 until its conclusion. Every member performed their assigned duties to the highest standard and offer assistance where necessary. The business is advised to expand its space to better accommodate customers and to price products in line with market rates. For reflection of the job, cost analysis and excellent teammates were emphasized as keys to increasing profit and enhancing business, with a focus on the significance of cozy amenities in drawing clients. To sum up, the assignment gave us great knowledge about money management, encouraged me to pursue entrepreneurship, and show us how important teamwork is while overcoming obstacles in competition.
Our study of Kopi dan Gula Cafe has revealed the potential for expansion and growth through consistent quality, affordability, and strategic location. We recommend renovating the space to enhance customer experience. Effective teamwork and cost analysis are key to increasing profitability. This assignment has enriched our understanding of money management and inspired us to consider entrepreneurship. Thank you. That's all from us.